In summary, Bradded. First, discovery of a nova stella. 1.1 is not due to Earth's atmosphere, no parallax. 1.2, stars are not internal. Second, accurate astronomical data for his time. 2.1, stellar and planetary positions. 2.2, better measure of Earth's actual tilt. 2.3, anomalies in Ptolemaic model surface. Third, provide the comets are found in the celestial domain. Fourth, remove the necessity of crystalline celestial sphere. Tycho Brahe and Kepler's three laws of planetary motions. Tycho Brahe and Johannes Kepler made significant contribution to the understanding of planetary motion, leading to the formulation of Kepler's three laws of planetary motion. Brahe's observations made before the invention of the telescope challenged the Ptolemaic model of the universe. His, his precise astronomical data highlighted the needed for new, more accurate models as scientific knowledge advanced. Brahe's heliocentric model proposed the Sun orbiting the Earth, with planets orbiting the Sun. Despite his model not being fully proven before his death, Brahe's date became crucial for Kepler's later work. Johannes Kepler. Kepler, as a German astronomer and mathematician, was hired by Brahe as a researcher assistant to analyze data and validate the heliocentric model. After Brahe's death, Kepler inherited a vast dataset that he used to develop his three laws of planetary motion. Kepler's law. First, law of orbit ellipses. 1909, planets move in the elliptical orbits with the Sun at one focus. Second, law of equal area. 1609, a line segment joining a planet and the Sun swipe out equal areas during equal interval of time. Third, law of period. 1619, the square of the orbital period of the planet is directly proportional to the cube of the semi-major axis of its orbit.